Hello, dear friends. I'm Catalin Vasile, and I'm the ISV Manager responsible for Eastern Europe. And today we continue our video presentation with ISV from Eastern Europe. And I have the opportunity to speak with a company from Slovakia. The name of the company is Resco Net. And I have as a special guest today, Mrs. Simona Urbanova, Strategic Partner Specialist. Simona, welcome to our presentation.
Thank you, Catalin, for inviting me to your studio. It's a pleasure to be here. So just to introduce myself, as you said, my name is Simona, and I work as a strategic partnership specialist here at Resco. I work mainly with partners on a strategic level. I help them build up their strategy and sales successes with Resco. And besides those, I'm also involved in many different business development initiatives and planning in the company. And so why I'm here is to present the idea of how we can collaborate together and how we can strengthen our partnership with Zebra.
Great. I'm happy to see you, and I'm happy to have this discussion. You know, in this pandemic situation we have to use more and more these virtual tools to speak and to introduce you as ISV to our reseller and even to our internal colleagues in Zebra. So what I would like to find out today, I would like to see your presentation. First of all, who is Resco and what are the solutions you have in your portfolio? And then at the end I will have some questions regarding different stuff I will see in your presentation. So please go on.
All right. Perfect. So let me start with some basic information, mainly for those who don't know Resco and who are not aware of us. So we have been on the market for the past 20 years. And we have been over this time focused solely on mobility, mobile solutions, mobile technologies, and it also remains our competitive advantage. So basically everything we do, everything we create is shaped from the perspective of a mobile user. So we always try to make sure that it makes sense to the user to use the app, to use the product. It makes him more efficient and it improves his performance. Over these years, we have also worked with more than 600 partners on very interesting projects across variety or a huge variety of industries. And so basically how we do or how we work with them, we drive or we develop the technology, we drive it, we move it forward, and then we turn it over to our partners who build solutions or customize solutions on top of our technology, and then they introduce the solution and sell it to the end customers. Over these years, we have managed to expand in more than 100 countries and sold more than 200,000 licenses. To fortify our position on the market, we operate in we have two offices, one in Slovakia, in Bratislava, that's where I'm calling right now from, and the other one in Boston, Massachusetts, which also allows us to have a very good coverage across different time zones and regions across the whole world. The philosophy of our products or the company is really easy and fast implementation, and a lot of our partners have developed products on top of Resco technology and they delivered, I would say, ready-to-go solutions across really multiple industries, and they managed to do it within a couple of weeks or even days. So as you can see, even on the slide, Resco technology is extremely versatile and it is suitable for any kind of use case. So far we have served more than 2,000 customers, and yes, we are still counting. And all of them are coming from different industries and different sectors. But the fact that our technology is really robust and is really mature can be well documented by the fact that we signed a partnership with Microsoft. I think it was approximately 3 years ago, in which we provide a mobile platform for Dynamics field service. And therefore, Microsoft licenses our solution, and we became one of only a handful companies worldwide whose solutions has been white labeled by such a giant company as Microsoft is. And obviously, it is a huge recognition of the capability and security of our software, and we are very happy for that. So this was a Resco in a nutshell. Now, why Zebra? Why do we talk about that? Well, we see more and more customers are looking for ready-to-go solutions that they can very easily install and start using right away. And besides this, there's also a big majority, or I'd say a big proportion of customers who are looking for good hardware solutions that will be compatible with the software of their choice. And that's why we were thinking, like, why don't we simply join our forces together and offer these customers or even partners this unique value proposition that Resco and Zebra can offer. In terms of our mission, well, we believe that Zebra rugged devices need their rugged software companions that can together help businesses improve their performance across multiple industries and really various use cases or even scenarios. And what I think is that by bringing this full package ecosystem or full package mobile application with the hardware and the software solutions, will not only surpass expectations of current customers that then will be a bit easier to maintain, but we will also be able to enter new markets or industries that were previously inaccessible to Zebra and Resco. So it should result obviously in increase of a customer base. And how do we want to achieve it? So we believe that to accomplish this mission, we can definitely use Resco Inspections that is well suited for Zebra devices, because it enables any organizations to effectively create and distribute fully customized and highly structured questionnaires and surveys. It simplifies also data collections for the staff in the field, and allows you to instantly view the results on the device. What is very important is that it's very, very easy to set up and start using, or even set up the whole questionnaires, because we have a lot of pre-built features that you can simply drag and drop and start using right away. So it's super easy to use the app, and this app, it can also be grown into complexity, should the partner require that or no. But let me not speak too much about that. Instead of, I would like to show the video that my colleagues and myself have prepared. All right, so now you may be thinking, how can you start collaborating with Resco, or what are the benefits of the collaboration? So first of all, you may leverage Zebra devices by offering this full package application ecosystem. And as I mentioned, it's super easy to install and start using the app. You can manage and configure everything in a matter of clicks. So that's a great advantage. Secondly, you can reach a wider audience through our Resco partner channel, our community. We can use our brand. We can give you more leads, and maybe you can provoke even a partner interest. Thirdly, you can gain a competitive advantage using our latest tech developments or the most advanced capabilities such as AR, VR, voice control, um, and many others. And at the same time, you can connect to customers from many different ecosystems such as Dynamics 365, Salesforce, and other ERP or CRM ecosystems. And so how can you start working with Resco? If you're interested or if you'd like to learn more about Resco Inspections and how everything's working, please contact my colleague Andrew and myself. I'm posting the email here, and we'll be very happy to answer any questions that you have.
Excellent.
Perfect.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Simona. I have two questions for you. One is related to the support of the different languages. You know, we are working in a multinational environment, so especially in Eastern Europe, and not only in Eastern Europe. We speak about other part of Europe, and also we speak about United States. I don't know why Asia. What about the possibility that the software you're showing us, the Resco Inspection, can be, let's say, adjusted, can be adapted to different local languages requests?
Perfect. Well, I have a very easy answer for you and very straightforward, that Resco and mainly the Resco Inspections covers most of the languages in the world. So whether you're coming from China or from Brazil using Portuguese or Spanish or French or Hungarian, it can be very easily set up.
Excellent. So that's a good answer, because this is the general question I usually get. All of our SV get the same question about the localization of the software. And the second one, you already told us about the possibility to get in touch with you. We will add at the end the contacts, and also what is very important, what about a pilot or a demo? Somebody would like to see somewhere. We saw the video, of course, but if he likes to try it, you know, what can they do?
Of course. I understand. So as I said, the easiest way, if someone is interested, is to contact my Andrew or myself. But it's very easy to also go on our website, www.resco.net. And if you're interested, especially in inspections, you're just going to a product, you'll find inspections, and then you can use your free 30 days free trial. So it's super easy. You can then establish your own organization and start using it for 30 days for free, basically.
Great. Thank you very much, Simona. It was a nice pleasure to talk to you. I was really impressed by your presentation. The solution is really good, and I hope people will like to talk to you and get all the details, so you can make a demo, you know, a prospect meeting, a pilot somewhere. And thank you very much, and I wish you all the best success, and of course stay safe there, and good luck.
Thank you very much once again, Catalin, for inviting me, and stay safe as well.
Thank you.